Happy Valentine's Day, beauties. So today we're getting a little creative in the sanctuary today, and I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this soft glam featuring a pop of pink eyeliner and some fun heart art. Try saying that 5 times fast. I think it's a perfect way to celebrate your inside out beauty this season. So we already prepped the skin. Today I used Patrick Ta's foundation. I also use El Maquillage bronzer and paparazzi. And then I went in with some blush. I first used LA Colors, this pink one. And then I went in with Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics in this pink shade. So my secret for today, we're strictly going to be using BB Plus Illumination from Gerard Cosmetics strictly as a highlight. So we're going to be adding this to the high points on our face. And this is going to give us that natural glow, that lit from within. So I'm just going to add it here. You see, in my other video, we added it in with the foundation. I wanted you ladies to see what it looks like, strictly as a highlight. And I'll get in natural lighting for you to see up close and personal. I totally forgot to show you what it looked like. So getting started on the eyes, today I'm gonna be using the Chica Beauty Fiesta mini eyeshadow palette, and this is the colors. I'm gonna be taking a small blending brush, and I'm gonna be digging into this color here. It's like a light brown shade. And I already prepped my eyelids with Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer. You ladies already know how I do that. I showed it on the video I made for Thursday. So you can go back and watch that if you like, to make sure there's no oil. And that's why I really like Wet n Wild, because I have really oily eyelids and they are really good to preventing creases. So I'm just dabbing this brown shade into my crease, because even though I want this pink eyeliner to be the main focus, I still always feel like I need a crease color to make my eyes seem bigger for one and open. You see how when we add this color, it opens, my eye looks a bit more open than without. It looks more closed. And now I'm just going to take a more fluffier and clean brush and continue to blend that shade in further. And then I can just keep on adding more with the small blendy brush, just tapping it in until I like the shade that I want. I don't want it too dark, but we want some kind of depth in the look. So before I forget, I did mention that I was going to show you in natural lighting what this BB Plus illumination looks like. So this is me standing in front of my window right now, and this is what the highlight looks like. BB Plus illumination. It looks really beautiful on the skin, gives you that natural glow from within. This is also gonna frame the hearts that we're going to do later. So yeah, I also end up adding some highlight under my brow bone, the Cupid's bow. You guys were there to see that, but yeah, I just added some here and it looks really nice. So next I'm gonna be grabbing a gel eyeliner by Appel, and it's like a pink color, and I'm just going to be trying to make a perfect cat wing. And you know my little trick, I like to trace the bottom lash line, and so I'm just going to bring it up right there. I'm next going to take an eyeliner brush, and I'll be digging into Sugar Drizzle Plumera Dragon, and the shades look like this. Try not to blind you with the mirror. This is what it looks like. Nice pink one here, Plumera Dragon. And just to get this line, you want to get something that's really sharp and not gonna budge. So grab your best eyeliner brush and make that sharp wing. Now if you want to bring that pink all the way in, you can. And I'll probably be halfway. So I'm taking this Fire Kiss shade and I'm adding it here to the bottom lash line. I'm gonna be taking Charmacy. It's like a monochromatic liquid eyeshadow. So I'll be adding this right here. You can take a flat brush, just kind of blend it in there until it dries. Maybe I should do it here. Finishing up the eyes, I'm gonna go in my watercolor paints. I have the regular, and then I also have the neon, which we'll be doing the hearts on. But right now I'm gonna be grabbing this pink shade here, wetting my detailed brush and placing it into the paint, and can whoosh it around, getting it not too wet. You want like a not clay consistency, but you know, smooth, not too wet and not too dry. And I just want to sharpen up this wing here. Okay, now that I feel better about the wing and the pink really standing out now, I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline. So you really want to get in between those hairs, because that's what's gonna make the lashes look thicker. Okay, really quick, I went in with some mascara. You know how I like to do top and bottom lashes. So yeah, those are the two mascaras I like to use. And then I also went in with some press-on, no glue needed. I love these things. You just bloop, and I just use 2 on each eye. That's it. And now we're gonna get started with the hearts. I'm gonna again grab these neon color ones. Usually I just like to just draw them in, but the easiest way you can do them also is if you grab a dotting tool. I'm just going to use my brush. You would make 2 little dots, or as wide as big as you want, and then you're going to just bring the lines in. And there you have yourself a perfect little heart. That one came out really fat. That's a fat heart. I feel like this is keeping the look playful and high energy. All about expressing your inner joy. Wow, it got dark really quickly. I'm gonna lock everything in with my ZC cosmetic spray and make sure those hearts ain't going anywhere. I forgot to add a highlight. I wanted to go grab the Wet n Wild and this pink shade right here, just to make this really pop. So this is the final look. All of the products that I use will be linked in my Bendable account below, and I just want to let you guys know that your support, it brings me one step closer to my tech upgrade, so I can keep bringing you guys these high quality tutorials you all love. And I'll see you in the next one, and remember, makeup is just art, real beauty is in your spirit. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.